Bojo Nandinoy Magnatug Sterling Indijna Kaz Megizzi and Nenda Nashna Bayajna Kazawen Binigan Nongo Manishna Bemoin Geek Non Jigawin. Welcome to Words of the Day in Ojibwe. My name is Sterling and my native name is Bald Eagle Man. Your words for today are gonna do with garbage and the dump and everything above. So your first word is Ziigwebiniganing. So that means to spill it. Ziigwebiniganing, which means garbage. Now there's this word, Ziigwebiniganing, which means the place of garbage. So the dump, the dump. Ziigwebiniganing, which means the place where things are thrown outside. And no, I'm not talking about my Leaf shirt. And Zagaji means outside. And that is... that's stupid. Yeah, I thought that was a good car. Just rock his white truck. He needs a new muffler. Ziigwebiniganing Nindija. I am going to the dump. I am going to the place of garbage. Ziigwebiniganing Nindija. Oh, big witch. Besinduayan. Bamape.